this laser level with our smart pendulum system. This laser level tool automatically levels at approximately +3 degrees and indicates when beyond the self-leveling range. Adopt high-quality imported brand laser diode. The laser line emitted is more visible and thin. Laser type 532 nm, lesser than 1 MW. Laser class 2. Adopt one 360 degrees horizontal line and two 360 degrees vertical lines to make you quickly arrange and square the room layout. This laser level tool can be used in construction. Can cover the floor, wall, ceiling all around the room. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Automatically level within 3 degrees. Laser blinks and audible alarms beyond the leveling range. Number 2. Upgrade the laser head to make the light stronger and visible both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. High quality movement. High speed bearing. Ensure accuracy. Number 4. OSRAM laser. Quality laser. Light is bright and thin, using high quality laser diodes and high precision conical mirrors. The laser lines emitted are fine and bright with high precision. Number 5. Large capacity lithium battery. Build in 2 batteries at a time to meet the power demand for a day. Equipped with a USB charger. The battery is charged separately. Safer and faster. Number 6. Optical glass window. Glass edge cut clean, laser line clearer. Carefully polished body and covered by rubber. Makes the laser level shock resistant, wear resistant, and impact resistant perfectly. Number 7. With rubber coating. The machine is surrounded by rubber to protect the main body from the impact of falls. Contains a 1/4 to 5/8 adapter, so a tripod can be installed to make the machine work better. Number 8. Users can employ the 360 degrees laser planes independently or together with the press of a button. Press the lock button to enter /mode. You can place the laser tool at any angle to make tilt lines. Number 9. The laser level can be mounted on a tripod base or attached to most metal surfaces using magnetic brackets, allowing 360 degrees free rotation of the laser level and projection of the laser line at any position or angle. This laser level is widely used in floor tiles, doors and windows, furniture woodworking installation, wallpaper hanging, drilling, and so on. Number 10. Slanted laser lines. Press the PL button to enter /mode. You can use the converter to add to the adjustable tripod. Then you can place the instrument at any angle to project the tilt lines, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.